Hello, for this extra credit point, I am going to discuss the word problem regarding rock concert deaths. And the problem reads crowd management strategies monitors accidents at rock concerts. In their database, they list the names and other variables of victims whose deaths were attributed to crowd crush at rock concerts. Here are the histogram and box plot of the victims' ages for data from a 1 year period. So the first question is, what features of the distribution can you see in both the histogram and the box plot? So on the left we have the histogram, and then on the right we have the box plot. And the distribution is essentially symmetric, and it's very slightly skewed to the right, with 36 and 48 being the outlier in the box plot. And then most victims were ages 16 to 24, as you can see on the bar graph. And you can see it on the box plot too, where this square is. And then the second question is, what features of the distribution can you see in the histogram that you cannot see in the box plot? And the answer to this is you can't really see the slight increase between ages 22 and 24. It's more apparent in the histogram than the box plot. It may be a second mode for the box plot too. And then for C, the question reads, what summary statistic would you choose to summarize the center of this distribution and why? So I'll go back to the distribution. And I said median just because it would be most appropriate to measure the center, since it is slightly skewed and it has a couple outliers. And then the last question is, what summary statistic would you choose to summarize the spread of this distribution and why? And I said the interquartile, or the IQR, because it would be most important for the spread of data, because of the skew in the chart and the outliers as well. And then for more information on the box plot, because I know that can be kind of confusing when comparing data, you can find kind of like a summary or overview on page 98 in our book. And then also utilizing the videos that Professor Barron posts, especially the comparing distributions, is also helpful as well. Thank you.